Welcome to Datafuse Analytics. Text classification is one of the most common and fundamental tasks in NLP. It has its broad applications in sentiment analysis, topic labeling, spam detection, intent detection, and so on. In this particular video, we will be discussing the importance of text classification and reasons to perform text classification. Then we will see few real-world applications of text classification, and finally we will go through the heart of this tutorial, that is implementation of text classification right from scratch. In this, I will try to explain the implementation in depth by explaining each and every line, and we will code it together. We all check our email regularly, right? Or every day we check, possibly more than once. The majority of email service providers have useful feature of automatically distinguishing spam emails from other emails. This is an application of text classification or a well-known application in NLP. Now, text classification is a process of selecting one or more categories from a wider pool of potential categories to place a given text into. Text classification is by far the most important or most popular NLP work in industry or in IT industry, and with respect to academia or in academics, it is one of the most investigated NLP tasks. It is all due to the invariance of the basic problem and its application in a wide range of domains. Now, do you know statistics reveal that 3.8 billion individuals, or about 49% of the world's population, utilize social media currently. So it should come as no surprise that businesses today have a significant media presence or social media presence. It serves as a tool for business to advertise their names and products, locate target clients, etc. When a new product is introduced in a market, business frequently use social media post analysis to determine how the general public feels about it. The second application is spam filtering, as we have already discussed in the previous slide. The next application is language detection. Now, language identification is an ideal tool for the business if that business is a global business. So in this, the customer service tickets can be routed to appropriate team in the language they were sent in. And the final application is something called as emotions detection. So classifying text into different emotions like anger, fear, joy, love, sadness, and surprise. This is the application that we would be implementing right from scratch in this particular session. So guys, keep your laptops or your systems or computers ready, because now we will be implementing an emotion detection classifier right from scratch using transformers. I will be using Google Colab to write my code. So let's meet there.